Hi, I'm Joan Lok. In my next Sumi landscape workshop, I'll cover the painting of waterfalls. Waterfalls is something that is very common in Sumi landscape. And in this workshop, I'll cover not just the painting of a regular waterfall with lots of water flowing, but I will also cover the painting of long and narrow waterfall that will change the design of a classic landscape. We can use it as the main subject of a particular landscape that flow from distant mountain to the midground and the foreground, or we can use waterfall long and narrow as a background for our other designs for the Sumi as well. We'll talk about how to use waterfalls that have steps to represent different rocks in the steps of the waterfall, or we can create something that is long and narrow. Last but not least, in our demo that we'll paint together, we'll cover a waterfall that go all the way from the very far background to the foreground and then build up in volume and become the foreground. So I hope you can join me in the painting of waterfall long and narrow. Thank you.